Oh, hello. Once again, Richard Dupey here. It's national. National. Oh, yesterday, Friday, we only had the banker. Only the banker that played the 75. Our 78 goals minus 3, and then we played 75. But today, let's see. I have something good. It's in national itself, and I want to show you. But it's in inside, so let's go straight to you without wasting much time. When you come to 2001, 2001, 2001, at event 2015, you see 89 in machine. Then you count from the 89, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks down, then you see 64. Also in machine, then 72 play in each winning. So as the 72 play, count from the 72, 1, 2, 3. 3 weeks down. Then you will see that 89 will come back as your full banker. Then the 64 will join it. And then the 67 will also play. So you see 3 numbers. 67, 89, and then 64. 3 numbers. So when you pick from the down to, you notice that 72 play at center. 3 weeks up. This one going up. 3 weeks up. So 1, 2, 3. Then you still see the 64, 89, and then the 67. So as you can see, that those 3 numbers are very, very good. Even the 89 repeated to just make you know that it's a full banker. So this 69 and then 89 and then 64 become our 2 shot. Then let me show you even something also here. Here in 2003, as you can see here, there is another one also here. Here it played 87 in machine. Then following week you notice the 89 and then the 64. Single 7 also come to play on it over here. So that is event 2139. So 67, single 7, and then the 89. So when you come to this is the main event that I'm using for national today at event 2098. It's also in 2003, beginning from 2002 and it ends in 2003. So at event 2098 you see 10. Following week then the 10 will 10 single one. So you count from the single one. 6 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks down. Then you see 70. Following week then 50 will play with 26. So following week then you see the 89 in machine. So as the 89 play in machine, then you count from the 89. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 weeks down, then the 11 play. So as the 11 play, then you count from the 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks down, then the 82 will play, and then put 75 under the 82. Then they play with 74. Then 86 goes to machine. So as the 86 goes to machine, you notice that following week the 89 will come and play under the 82 and then the 75, so it's speaking. And then the 86 will counter or key to 40. Then the 89 will play with it to give you 40, 89. It's also a 2 shot on its own. That 86 will key 40. Then the 89 will come back. Looking on the first event that I show you, the one here, that the 89 and then the 64 comes to play. You notice that the 89 and then the 64 becomes your main 2 shot, and then the 63 will join them. So on this one also you notice that the 89 comes with 64, and then the 67 join them to give you the 3 numbers. That is 89, 67, and then 64. So on the event you notice that following week 75 locked the event. This 75 here, that 75 came back to lock the event just proving to you that this event is very good to drop today. So the one that I show you here, that the single 7 play with the 64 and then the 89, the single 7 is also on the event. So 64, 67 and 89, I'm using that as the 3 numbers for the event, but something is telling me I should use the 40 rather because of the 86 that key. So this event is not a joke. So it gets to a point that I want to use the 60, 64, 89 and then the 40, leaving the ND7s, because the ND7, if they want to play, they will play together. The single 7 and then the 67, if they want to play, they will play together. So I'm using the 64, 40 and then 89 as the 3 numbers for today, even though the 3 numbers show on this event, that is 67, 89 and then 64, but still I'm using the 40, 89 and then the 64 as the 3 numbers, because even the 75 that came to also had the 40. So 89, 40 and then the 64 becomes our 3 numbers. So let me come to current and then we see how it sets the current one also. So the first one that I show you, this is where the 89 played, and then you count from the 89 you count as the 89 play. This 3 at event 3116, 89 play 6 weeks down, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then the 64 will play, then 72 will go to winning. So 3 weeks down from the 72, 1 2 3, then the 64 and then the 89 will come and play. Then you get your 2 short, 64 and then the 79 as your 2 short. That is the first one that I just showed you. The one here, all is in national, but just that it's inside. So I'm using another national paper, but they are all in national. So as you can see, this one, the 89 play 6 weeks down, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then the 64 play and then 72, then the 64 and then 89 will come as your 2 shot. So it's the same thing that is there. 69, 89, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then the 64 will play, 72 winning, 3 weeks down, 1 2 3, then these 2 will come as your 2 shot. So when you come to the main one that I just showed you, the main event that I showed you, that is the one that I'm using. You notice that this is the 10. The 10 play at event 3100. The 10 play following week, the 10 single one. So you count from the single one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then 70 will play as the 70 played over there. The 70 will play following week 50 and then 26. The 50 will play at position and then play with 26. So as the 26 play, then following week, then you see the 89 in machine. So as the 89 play in machine, you count from the 89, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 weeks down, then the 11 will play. So from the 11 you count from the 11 5 weeks down, 1 2 3 4 5. Then the 82 will play and put the 75 under it. Then the 75 play with 74. Then the 86 goes to machine. So that 86 in machine, the 86 has to key 40. So the 40 will have to come and play with the 89. So I'm using the 40, 89 and then the 64 as the 3 numbers. The 3 numbers for the national. That is, even though the 67 is also on those events, the single 7 is also on the one that I just showed you here, but the 2 shots are the same, 64, 89. So this is the event that I'm using for national today. The event is event 2121, 2121. That is the event in national itself, 2003. And the numbers on the event are 64, single 7, 67, 89 and then 40. I'm going over it again. I say event 2121. Numbers on the event are 64, single 7, 67, 89, and then 40. Thank you very much for being here, and bye for now.